Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today in this video I'll show you how can you write in bold in WhatsApp. So if that's what you want to do, follow up with me and let's jump right into it. First we need to get something out of the way, so let's go ahead and open App Store or Play Store and search for WhatsApp from here. And make sure the WhatsApp app is updated for everything to run smoothly, or at least have one of the newer versions. Then you quit the store and of course open WhatsApp, and you have to be logged into your account. Now from here, to send a bold message, just first open a conversation. You can do that in groups or individual chats. From here, let's write something first without sending it in bold to be able to compare. Now let's go ahead and send something in bold. So it's going to be hey. I'm gonna type the same one and then add one of those stars at the end and also at the start of the text that we want to be in bold. Those stars will disappear and the text will be in bold, just like that. Now you can do that to short messages or even to very long ones. So I'm going to tell Meta AI to write me a paragraph, and I'll copy it and use it for the example of this video. So you go ahead and paste your text here and add a star at the end, not here. So basically you need to remove those spaces. Let me just leave my text. Delete this real quick, hold up. So we add a star right here and then at the beginning of the text right there, just like that. As you can see, it is in bold. Now if that's what you're looking for, here you go. If you're looking for something else and basically want everything to be bold on WhatsApp, you tap on the dots in the top right corner and then tap on settings. And then from here, just go to chats. It should be this one. And then right there, font size. And then you choose large. And then everything is going to basically be bigger. And it's going to be a little bolder as well on Snapchat or on WhatsApp, I mean. And that's it for this video, guys. I hope it was useful. If it was, please like and comment down below. Don't forget to subscribe for future videos like this one. And thank you so much for watching.